my loves, guys, today's video is super exciting because, wait for it, I am going to be unboxing this beauty. Oh my gosh, I literally just pre-ordered this maybe a week or two ago, and we got the call that this came today. It's the Nightmare Before Christmas advent calendar, and honestly, I'm just going to dive right into this and show you guys what's inside because I'm super stoked. But before I do that, I keep looking at something. Look what my Hallmark got in today. And how funny, I was dressed like this and then I got the call for the calendar and then I went to Hallmark and they just got these cuties in. So, I mean, it's a win-win and I'm just really ready for spooky season. Like, let's roll into it, guys. I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to get scissors because I was so excited to film this for you guys. Like, as soon as I came home, I'm like, I'm filming this unboxing for you guys because why not? Oh my gosh, let's see. So, let's open this together. Ready? I'm too excited. Look at this! Oh my gosh! Wow! And we're gonna start with number one. Let's see here. I'm just gonna put this back in the slot when I'm done. Oh, it's not even... Why isn't that opening? It's stuck. Here is a few seconds of Sam struggling to open a calendar. Beautiful. So, there we go. Who's in here? Who is in here? Let's see who's in this one. Let's see. Ha ha ha! Cutie pie. Isn't that so cute? It's a pumpkin. I love this. That's super cute. We're gonna put him back inside his little slot. And now for number two. Can you guys tell like I'm really excited? I mean, I just had a venti coffee, but I mean, I'm always hyper. Zero! He is too cute! Oh my god. I love this so much. This is awesome. I almost broke a nail trying to open the first slot. Ouch. It still hurts. So we're gonna wrap him up and put him back in that slot for now. And number three. I kind of just opened that without showing it to you guys first. I just want to see what's in here. Like, I'm too stoked for this. I feel like this is something, it probably sounds stupid, but I feel like this was more for Halloween anyway. It's the mayor! Doo doo doo. And then when you turn him around, doo. That is awesome. How cool is this? And I cannot wait to get to Jack and Sally. How cliche, but let's see what's in here. And I want to see Oogie. Are you serious? My finger's stuck. It was not opening properly. I usually have a table next to me when I'm filming, and once again, I didn't get that because I was like, it's Oogie! Oogie Boogie! He is too cute. I want to pre-order the Diamond Edition on Hot Topic's site because he looks awesome. But yeah, like I said, I mean, I usually have a table, but I was way too excited. Like, grabbed my equipment and I came up here. I'm like, let's open this with you guys. And now, another slot. I think it's Jack. I think it's Jack. It's Sally. I'm blind, but that is okay. She's holding her little basket. I mean, look at this. Ooh. How cute. How cute is this? Okay, so the next one has to be Jack. Or I'm going to be like, what? Alright. Let's not break a nail this time. Okay. You know what? He doesn't want to listen to me. Who am I to judge, right? Okay, let's see. I feel like it's Christmas already. I mean, it's Jack in his PJs. I have no idea where I'm going to be displaying any of this. So, you know, we'll find some space. With Christmas coming around and like Halloween, there's gonna be so much more merch. And then when you have me with no self-control, like I've been online shopping for the past couple days and I cannot wait to do another haul for you guys because I'm just stoked. They did an amazing job with this calendar. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys are going to be getting this calendar. It is so worth it so far. I'm not even through the whole thing. I'm bad at this. I mean, I'm so excited. I usually tell you guys the slot, and I haven't been doing that. Now we are on slot number 8. Okay. How cute! I mean, they're like the little minis. Adorable. I got so many compliments on my shirt today when I went out. I mean, fandom people. That's so cool though. I mean, that's one awesome thing when you wear fandom clothing in public and people just come up to you and start talking to you because, you know, you guys like the same things. How cool is that? This is super cool. I know who the next ones are gonna be now. The Awesome Trio. How cute. Oh man, now I wanna go watch this movie. We're gonna open this. They also, I mean, apart from Harry Potter, they used to show this movie at my daycare all the time. And I believe my teachers will show this in class sometimes. Elementary school, of course. I believe middle school too, but maybe I am remembering wrong. But I love this movie so much. The songs are so catchy and guys, it's spooky time. Like, let's get to Halloween. The funniest part is I'm not much of a summer person, but I love swimming in my pool. But I'm gonna miss my pool, but I'm just ready for fall and Halloween and like Christmas and cozy all around. We are now on slot number 11. It is Mr. Jack Skellington, the Pumpkin King. He is too cute. I just want to give all of these little Funkos a hug. Now, number 12. Here we go. What are you doing? 12. Are we gonna get another Sally? Aww, cutie pie. And now, slot number 13. I have my other advent calendars. I keep the pops on my shelves, of course, and then I put the boxes in the basement. I don't want to throw them away. I think I have like 2 or 3 downstairs. I've only ever... He rolled away. Okay, so that was a little problem on my part. He rolled away, and I guess he didn't want to come back, so I had to get up and get him. It's cute little snowman Jack. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, they did amazing with this calendar so far. I am obsessed. And now for slot number 14. It's kind of hard to open though, unless that's just me, because typical Sam, guys. Typical Sam. Some of these little bags are hard. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Iconic. Look at this. How cool is this? I guess Jack was the only rebel in this one. He wanted to just like roll away. It's like, alright then. And then slot number 15. I feel like all the slots, every time I try to open them, they keep going in instead of like pulling out. And it's like, what? It's Sally sitting down. The little flower. I want the bigger pop version of this though. I only have, let's see, I have Sandy Claus, Jack with like the worm crawling through, that's a Hot Topic exclusive, another Hot Topic exclusive Jack, I can't see, my lights are like reflecting in it, and a Sally with a basket, I believe. I think I only have 4 like big, like regular size NBC pops, but I do want to get more this year. I want the mayor and stuff, so can't wait. I can't wait to get those. Now I'm on slot number 16. Another 0. I think that this one glows in the dark by the way he looks. Look at that. He has to glow in the dark. I don't doubt that one bit at all. Like, I think he glows. Now slot number 17. Another Jack Skellington. And he just has his hands like whatever. Like, who cares? That's his vibe. That's super cute. Now, for the 18th. Now we are going to see what is in here. Jeez, I feel like I have to use all of my mic to open this. Oh yes, I see this pop, the Diamond Edition on Hot Topic's site, and every time I want to add it to my cart, and I keep buying other things. But I mean, the pop kind of looks cool though. I do kind of need this in the bigger form, because why not? Oh, 6 more slots, guys. See, this one just won't open. There we go. Let's see. I'm so excited. It's Uggy! Wow, he looks really cute. Like, super cute. Camera, where are you going, buddy? Uggy's right here. Focus. Look how cute he looks. He looks really happy, actually. I have a 10-inch. Oh no, you can't see it in the camera. It's at the top of my shelves. I have the 10-inch version of him. Now, number 20. Oh no, 4 more. Sandy Claus! Oh wow, these pops are really detailed for being mini. These are so cute. They really outdone themselves with this one, guys. Oh my. I got this at Gamestop, by the way. Yeah, let's see. I got this at Gamestop, and the pre-orders in the store, you just put $5 down, and then you can pay them off later when you can pick it up. And basically, you could just keep paying it off until, like, whatever you can afford, that's what you could put down. And this calendar was $39.99, so that's not bad because the calendar prices on other places, like the other sites, are really ridiculous. And I'm like, I never pay that much for a calendar. Every year I get it for $40. Whether it's Harry Potter or now other fandoms, because they never had other fandoms before. So GameStop is definitely your place to go for a cheaper calendar. And this is not sponsored, but just trying to help you guys save money if you guys are frequent shoppers like me, which I know a lot of you are. Why aren't you focusing? But we'll focus on this guy. That's not good. Let's see. The camera's just like, nah, I'm not having it today. 3 more slots. Okay. Thanks for almost like cutting me. Okay. This one seems kind of big. What is this? Another 0. He is sparkly! Shut up right now. Even though it's not Halloween, man, I don't care. I'm still gonna post this on my merch page, which you guys should totally follow. I post like all my merch there. This is super cute how to post. I mean, after this we have 1 more slot, guys. Shut up! It's a sparkly Jack Snowman. Or Snowman Jack. I just totally said that backwards. Oh my gosh. Dum dum dum! The last one. Okay, here we go. This nail's gonna be broken after this video. Okay, let's go. Drum roll, guys. Let's go. I won't open. Ah! Look! Jackass Sandy Claus! Oh my gosh. So guys, that was it for this unboxing. What did you guys think? Are you going to be picking this up? Because if you do, I will try to leave a link in my bio, guys. And I am affiliated with them, so you know, I'm just gonna be honest with that, but this is not sponsored. All opinions are my own. I totally recommend getting this. Go to your nearest Gamestop, try online. It is totally worth it. And guys, I mean, what do you think? Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads. I do unboxings, confidence videos, fashion videos, DIYs, you name it. Leave some comments down below. Once again, let me know what your favorite thing was in this video. And will you be picking this up for spooky time? And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.